Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome once again to my English online class. Hope you are doing well by the grace of Almighty. Today, at the beginning of my speech, I would like to thank our outstanding principal Muhammad Abdul Kahar for his overall monitoring the direction of education ministry. According to his delivering online class routine, we may go our next topic. In previous class, we have known first two para of Mandela's life sketch. Now, let's go our next studies and open our textbook. Dear students, now start our textbook. I hate race discrimination most intensely and in all its manifestations. Mandela says, I have fought it all during my life. I'll fight it now and will do so until the end of my days. Mandela said in his acceptance speech on becoming South Africa's first black president in 1994. The time for the healing of the wounds has come. The moment to the bridge the chasm that divides us has come. Nelson here Mandela remarks that race discrimination is worth mentioning. He boldly stands against it and says he has fought it during his life and will continue fighting to the last. Among the democratic leaders of the present world, Nelson Mandela occupies the highest seat of the reverence. Following his example, discrimination based on race and religion has started losing its grip, and as a result, conflict between the black and the white has found a new path to be stepped. This made the world people optimistic. In a country where democracy is practiced, people will always remember him. Mandela uses personal pronoun. Dear students, next para, we have at last achieved our political emancipation. Mandela here want to say that he spent a long period of time in his prison bars. He is the most celebrated political prisoner and a leader of mythical stature. This has made him popular and well known to the people beyond Africa. Next, in 1993, Mandela was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize, an honor he shared it F.W. de Klerk, the African leader who had freed him from prison 3 years earlier and negotiated the end of apartheid. Mandela shared his Nobel it is meaning that Mandela shared his Nobel Prize with F.W. de Klerk, who was the African white leader, and freed him from prison for 3 years earlier. Next, Mandela went on to play a prominent role on the world stage as an advocate of human dignity in the face of challenges ranging from political depression to AIDS. to AIDS. Mandela, there are many statements of Mandela which are ignite flame in a man fighting for equal justice, but he feels very excited when the words he got it. It is ideal. I hope to live for and to achieve. Next, he formally left public life in June 2004 before his 86th birthday, telling his adoring countrymen, "Don't call me, I'll call you." But he remained one of the world's most revered public figures, combining celebrity sparkle with an unwavering message of freedom, respect, and human rights. Mandela, its meaning is Mandela's dream throughout his life was the removal of apartheid from his country and establishment of a multiracial democracy. He also voiced against all kinds of political injustices against humanity. Next, he is the epicenter of our time, ours in South Africa, and yours wherever you are. Nadine Gordimer, the South African writer and Nobel laureate of literature, once remarked. Nadim its meaning that behind Nadine Gordimer's such remark is the cause that Mandela's ideal was a democratic and free society in which all persons live together in harmony and with equal opportunities, which in fact an ideal of all common people of the world. Next, the years Mandela spent behind bars from him the world's most celebrated political prisoners and a leader of mystic treasure for millions of black South Africans and other oppressed people for behind for his country's border. Here it is hinted that a freedom from a racial discrimination in South Africa is talking about a democratic and free society in which all persons live together in harmony. Charged with capital offences in the 1963 Rivonia trial, his statement from the dock with his political testimony. Its meaning is that Nelson Mandela in 1963 this year refers to the Mandelas being charged with capital offences in Rivonia trial. The statement he gave from the dock was the political testimony. Last, during my lifetime, I have dedicated myself to the struggle of African people. I have fought against white domination and I have fought against black domination. Mandela here remarks he wants to make the understanding that now Mandela is the center point, and he hinted at freedom from racial discrimination alongside political emancipation in South Africa. This ideal he is talking about is to establish a democratic and free society in which all persons live together. Yes, we everybody support it, and Mandela is our ideal. Friends, no more today. Next class, I will talk about MCQ and open-ended question. Please attend class and take regular physical exercise. Don't care any taking drug. Thank you everybody. Thank you all. Assalamu alaikum.